In Spinnaker app, I have two applications, application 1 and application 2. Application 1 has two pipelines. Similarly, application 2 has two pipelines. Let's assume I have a requirement to update the expected artifactory display name of pipe 1 in application 1. So currently it is displayed as pipe 1 app 1. Similarly, I got another requirement to update both pipelines in application 2 as per the requirement. So currently it is pipe 1 app 2, and similarly for this one is pipe 2 app 2. So in total I have to update 3 pipelines for my requirement now. Okay, the first step I'm going to do is, this is my Python framework. So I'm going to I call this program app3 spin-cli.py. So let's assume I do not have anything what parameter to call. I'm just say what to call. So I just mentioned as a help command. So what we can do is just type help. So it will give you two options. The first option is spin get pipeline. What it will do is it will try to download all the Spinnaker pipelines to your local. So let's see the execution, how it looks like. So I'm going to execute this command. Okay, so this is completed. So let's refresh this one. Okay, so if you notice, all my non-empty application pipelines are downloaded to my local. Now as per my requirement, I need to update the display name of my first application 1, pipeline 1. I can say this is demo 1. Okay, so as per my second requirement, I need to update both pipelines in application 2. Then I can say here as demo 2 and this one as demo 3. Okay, now I have updated my pipelines. Now I need to call this argument command to update all my pipelines to the Spinnaker application. That's it. So even though we are not changing any JSON template of the existing application, it will say pipeline as saved, but it won't impact anything. So let's refresh the screen. So now I am going to the application 1, pipeline 1. Let's see whether it got updated or not. Yes, it upgraded as demo 1. Now let's verify the second application. Yes, this is demo 2. The last one, it should be demo 3. Yes, demo 3. Yes. So using this framework, you can able to update multiple pipelines, which means n number of pipeline which is available in Spinnaker at one point of time. So currently, as per the Spinnaker CLI documentation, we can able to update only one pipeline at a time. So this framework will be greatly helpful to any team who wants to update all pipelines or part of the pipeline or multiple pipeline in one shot. Thank you very much.